Here I have TCL 306, and today I'm going to show you how to enable watermark in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you have watermark. You can enable date and time, phone model, or date and time and phone model watermark, and now every photo you take will be marked with this watermark. Off. Wait a second. Oh, and here you have our model and time. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.